Nubia unveiled the redmagic 11 Pro series powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. The brand is now reportedly working on an entry-level phone from the same series called the redmagic 11 Air. As per the TINA listing, the alleged redmagic 11 Air features a 6.85-inch OLED screen that offers a resolution of 1216 by 2688 pixels. It has a 16-megapixel selfie camera, which could be integrated beneath the display. The redmagic 11 Air's rear camera setup has a 50-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The redmagic 11 Air is powered by an unknown 4.2 GHz chip. Its topmost variant may offer a 24 GB plus 1 TB configuration. It has a rated battery of 6,780 mAh capacity, indicating a typical capacity of about 7,000 mAh. It may launch as early as December or in the first quarter of 2026 in China. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.